In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can fix ping or internet or connection problems in Rust. Okay, for the first step, we go into the search bar and here we look for the control panel. So click on control panel and here we click on network and internet. And after that, we click on network and sharing center. And here we see our connection. I am connected with Ethernet right now. That's LAN. If you are connected with Wi-Fi, here should be Wi-Fi. So, and after that, we go on change the data settings and here we do all the steps now with our connection. So right click on Ethernet, then disable it, wait like 1-2 minutes. After that, you can enable it again. This is to restart your Wi-Fi from your PC, and you also do this with your Wi-Fi router to restart your whole Wi-Fi. After that, you can click on diagnose, and here you can follow the tips and tricks from your PC, what you can do. And after that, you can right click on Ethernet again, go on properties, and here we click on Internet Protocol version 4, properties again, and here we click on obtain an IP address automatically, and down here we click on use the following DNS server addresses, and here we have the preferred DNS server. This is 8888 and the alternative DNS server is 8844. Click on OK. After that, you have to restart your game that the settings will be saved. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe. If not, write down in the comments, we will find the solution, and then see you next time.